Good day, everyone. Welcome to the continuation of our discussion on the topic indices. Today, we'll be dealing with indices involving equation, and we are starting with simple linear case. Now, we have our very first example on the board. It says, if the third root of 4 to the power of 2y is equals to 8, find y. Now, the first thing we do, we have to present the indices properly. So, our equation becomes 4 to the power of 2y in bracket 1 over 3 will be equals to 8. And removing the bracket, it becomes 4 raised to the power 2y over 3 will be equals to 8. Now, expressing both terms in base 2, we are left with 2 raised to the power of 2 in bracket 2y over 3 will be equals to 2 raised to the power of 3. Since both sides are the same, we can equate powers. So we are left with 2 in bracket 2y over 3 will be equals to 3. That is 4y over 3 will be equals to 3. After cross multiplying, we have 4y equals to 9 and y will be equals to 9 over 4, which is D. Our next example is from UME. It states that given that the third root of 4 raised to the power 2s equals to 16, find the value of s. Since we cannot take the cube root of 4 raised to the power 2s, we take the cube for both sides to remove the cube root. This makes our equation 4 raised to the power 2s is equals to the cube of 16. Now, expressing both sides in the lowest base power, we are left with 4 raised to the power 2s is equals to 4 raised to the power 6. Since our bases are the same, we equate the powers. That is, 2s will be equals to 6 and s will be equals to 6 over 2, which is 3. We also have another question from UME. It says that if the square root of 3 raised to the power s equals to the cube root of 9, then the value of s is. Now, the first thing we're going to do is to make our square root and cube root in powers. So our equation becomes 3 raised to the power of s in bracket to the power of 1 over 2 equals to 9 raised to the power of 1 over 3. To enable us to equate powers, we expose both sides in the same base. That is, our equation becomes 3 raised to the power of s over 2 equals to 3 square in bracket raised to the power of 1 over 3. And it further breaks down to 3 raised to the power of s over 2 will be equals to 3 raised to the power of 2 over 3. Equating powers, we have s over 2 will be equals to 2 over 3. And after cross multiplying, s will be equals to 4 over 3. That is B. We have another example from 1995. It says if 8 raised to the power of 4 minus 2s is equals to 1 all over 4 raised to the power of s, find s. Now, the first thing we are going to do is to represent the indices properly. Then our original questions and our equation becomes 8 raised to the power of 4 minus 2s will be equals to 4 raised to the power of minus s. Expressing the indices in base 2, we are left with 2 raised to the power of 3 in bracket 1 minus 2s will be equals to 2 raised to the power of 2 in bracket minus s. Now, since our bases are the same, we can simply equate the powers. We are left with 3 in bracket 4 minus 2s is equals to 2 in bracket minus s. Expanding our bracket, it becomes 3 minus 6s equals to minus 2s. Collecting like terms, 3 will be equals to minus 2s plus 6s. 3 will be equals to 4s. And 3 over 4 will be equals to s. Our next question states that if 5 raised to the power of 2s minus 4 minus 1 is equals to 0, solve for s. Now, remember that any number raised to the power of 0 is equals to 1. Therefore, 5 raised to the power of 2s minus 4 minus 1 equals to 0 becomes 5 raised to the power of 2s minus 4 minus 5 raised to the power of 0 equals to 0. Now, simplifying our equation further, it becomes 5 raised to the power 2s minus 4 is equals to 5 raised to the power of 0. Since the bases are the same, we equate our powers. So 2s minus 4 will be equals to 0. 2s will therefore be equals to 4 and s will be equals to 4 over 2. That is 2. Our final example is from PCE. It states that if 5 raised to the power of 2s plus 1 plus 5 raised to the power of 2s equals to 150, find the value of s. The first thing we are going to do is to factorize the left hand side. So it becomes 5 raised to the power of 2s in bracket 5 raised to the power of 1 plus 1 equals to 150. That is 5 is the power of 2s. Our bracket becomes 6. 5 plus 1 is 6 equals to 150. Now, we divide both side by 6. You are left with 5 is the power of 2s will be equals to 150 divided by 6. And we know that 150 divided by 6 is 25. Therefore, our equation becomes 5 to the power of 2s is equals to 5 to the power of 2. Equating powers, 2s will be equals to 2. That is s is equals to 1. These are some exercises for you to try your hands on. You can get the answer to this exercise in our Easy Fat Further Mathematics textbook. You can get the hard copy or the soft copy in the website at the corner of the screen. Thank you.